Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take up our exercise 13.4 where we will study the area related to the spheres and hemispheres. Now see that we will find out first the area of the sphere. So CSA of sphere. Sphere we know completely circular one. So this is 4 pi r square. Sphere इस तरह से बनाया अभी हमने sphere. So this is now radius r. स्फीयर के केस में TSA और CSA सेम होता है. So CSA is equals to TSA for a sphere. बिकॉज इसमें कुछ अलग से एरिया ऐड नहीं हो रही है. अगर आप इसको पेंट करोगे तो यू विल कवर दिस कंप्लीट एरिया. सो यहाँ पे कोई भी TSA और CSA अलग अलग टर्म्स नहीं होते. स्फीयर एक एक्सेप्शनल केस है जहाँ पे TSA और CSA दोनों ही क्या होती है, सेम होती है. बट हेमिस्फेयर में ऐसा नहीं होगा. हेमिस्फेयर के केस में आइए अभी ये अभी हमने पढ़ा हुआ है स्फीयर का केस. नाउ कम टू हेमिस्फेयर. हेमिस्फेयर के केस में देखिए हेमिस्फेयर मीन्स हाफ ऑफ स्फीयर. ये भी हमारा क्या होगा, बाउल शेप जो होता है ना, बाउल शेप वो क्या होता है, हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप. इसमें देखिए अभी ये रेडियस हो गया तो इसका CSA अभी अगर निकालना पड़ेगा. सो CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर दिस इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ दिस. हेमिस्फेयर क्या होता है, हाफ ऑफ द स्फीयर. सो 4 पाई r स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो दिस इज नाउ 2 पाई r स्क्वायर. सो CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर इज 2 पाई r स्क्वायर. नाउ कम टू द TSA. सो TSA विल बी नाउ this will be the CSA plus top area. Top area is again a circular. So this area is a circular one. Top area क्या होगा, सर्किल. So सर्किल के एरिया क्या होगा, area of circle is pi r square. So this will be now 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So TSA will be 3 pi r square. सो हेमिस्फेयर के केस में TSA और CSA दोनों अलग अलग हैं. CSA इज 2 पाई r स्क्वायर एंड TSA इज 3 पाई r स्क्वायर. वेयर इज इन केस ऑफ द स्फीयर TSA एंड CSA बोथ आर सेम, बोथ आर इक्वल टू 4 पाई r स्क्वायर. तो अभी इसी कंसेप्ट से अभी हम इस कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज को कवर करते हैं. सो कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. First part, these are the simply the formula based questions. Find the surface area of the sphere. So CSA of a sphere, this is given as 4 pi r square. So this is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into r is 10.5 whole square. So we can solve 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So 7 1 ja and this is now 5 times. We can simplify this. So this will be 1386 centimeter square. Similarly coming for the second one. Similarly the same formula will be used. CSA of sphere, this will be equals to 4 pi r square. So this is 4 into 22 by 7 into r. Now here r is 5.6. So this will be 5.6 into 5.6. 7 1 ja. So this is 0.8. So now on multiplication we got 394.24 centimeter square. Similarly coming for the third part, here the radius is 14 centimeter given to us. So CSA of sphere, this will be equals to 4 pi r square. So this is 4 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 14, so we will write 14 into 14, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. So now we can simplify this. So this is 2464 centimeter square. So these are the simply the formula based questions, introductory one. So coming to question number 2, find the surface area of the sphere of diameters. Now the diameter is given to us, so we will find out radius. So radius equals to diameter by 2. So first case this is 14 by 2, so the radius we got 7 centimeter. So in first case, this CSA of sphere, this is 4 pi r square. So this is 4 into 22 by 7 into r square means 7 into 7. So this got cancelled. So this is now 616 centimeter square. Now coming to the second one, the radius will be diameter by 2. So diameter is 21 by 2. So this is 10.5 centimeters. So CSA of a sphere, this will be equals to 4 pi r square. So this is equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. R is already 10.5. So this is 10.5 into 10.5. So this is 1.5. Now we can simplify this. So this comes out to be 1386 centimeter square. Similarly, coming for the third one, here radius is equals to diameter by 2. So diameter is 3.5 by 2. So this will be equals to now 1.75 centimeters. So CSA of a sphere, this will be equals to 4 pi r square. So this will be equals to 4 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 1.75. So 7 banja, this is 0.25. Now we can simplify this. So this will be equals to 38.5 centimeter square. So these are the surface areas based on the diameters given. So coming to question number 3. Find the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. We need to find out the total surface area. So radius is given to us. Radius is 10 centimeter and we need to take pi as 3.14. So TSA of hemisphere, this is equals to 3 pi r square. So this is 3 into 3.14 into r square is 10 into 10. So on simplification we got 942 centimeter square. So this is simply the TSA. Now coming to question number 4th. The radius of the spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as the air is being pumped into it. Now find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. So R1 is already given. So this is 7 centimeter and R2 after inflation this is 14 centimeter. So we need to find out the ratio of the areas, CSA1, CSA2. So this will be 4 pi R1 square divided by 4 pi R2 square. 4 pi cancelled. So CSA1 divided by CSA2, this will be equals to R1 square by R2 square. So we can now put the values, CSA1 by CSA2. So R1 is 7. So this is now 7 into 7 divided by R2 is 14. So 14 into 14. This is 1, 2, 1 and 2 times. So we got CSA1 ratio CSA2. This is as 1 ratio 4. So this will be the ratio of the surface areas. So now coming to question number 5th. A hemispherical ball is made of the brass, has the inner diameter as this. So this is the hemispherical ball. Now this is having the inner diameter. So inner diameter is given, we can find out the radius. So radius will be equals to the half of the diameter. So this will be simply 5.25 centimeters. So radius is equals to diameter by 2. This is inner radius, so Ri. So this is 10.5 divided by 2. So this is 5.25 centimeters. Now we need to find out the curved surface area. So inner CSA. So inner CSA of this wall, this will be equals to 2 pi r square. So this will be equals to now 2 into 3.14, or we can take up 22 by 7 into r square. Now this is 5.25 into 5.25. So on simplification we got this is 173.25 centimeter square. So now we need to find out the cost of tin plating. So cost of tin plating, this will be equals to CSA into the rate given. So CSA is 173.25 into now rate. This is given as 16 rupees for 100 centimeter square. So 16 divided by 100. So we got this is 72.27. Sorry, this is 27.72 rupees. So we can write the cost of tin plating. This is equals to rupees 27.72. So now coming to question number 6. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is given. So CSA half sphere, this is equals to 4 pi r square. So CSA is already given to us. So we can write 4 pi r square is equals to 154. So r square will be equals to 154 divided by 4 pi, or r square will be 154 divided by 4 into 22 by 7. So this will be into 7. So this is now 7 times. So r square will be equals to 7 into 7 divided by 4. So r will be equals to now 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. So we can write it as 7 by 2. So we got radius as 3.5 centimeters. So this is the radius for this sphere. So now coming to question number 7th. This question number 7th is very important from exam point of view. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. So let the diameter of earth, so diameter of earth is equals to d earth. d earth, अभी de मैंने लिखा हुआ, de means this is diameter for earth. So radius of earth will be equals to, so radius of earth will be equals to RE. So this will be equals to dE by 2. So this will be the radius of earth. Now similarly the diameter of moon, so this is now DE. So diameter of the moon, this will be dm. Now it is given that the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4. So diameter of moon is DE by 4. So diameter of earth का अभी हमने 4 किया हुआ है. So this is the diameter of the moon. Now radius of the moon. So radius of moon will be equals to, this is radius of moon, this will be the diameter of moon by 2. So this is equals to DE by 4 into 2. So this will be DE by 8. So we got this. Now we need to find the ratio of their surface areas. So CSA of moon, or we can write this as CSA of moon divided by CSA of earth So this will be equals to 4 pi r square. So r of moon divided by 4 pi r square. So r of earth. 4 pi cancelled. So we can write CSA of moon divided by CSA of earth. So this will be equals to, now radius of the moon. Radius of the moon is already given. This is DE by 8 whole square, or we can write like this, divided by, and the second one is diameter of earth whole square. So this is now DE by 2 whole square. Now we'll simplify this. So this is DE square by 64 into, this will be 4 by DE स्क्वायर. अब ये इन डिवीजन की जगह क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लीकेशन, और ये पूरा टर्म्स रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो डी स्क्वायर कैंसिल. सो दिस इज 4 1 जा 4 एंड 4 16 टाइम्स. सो वी गॉट CSA of moon ratio CSA of earth. So this is equals to 1:16. So we got the ratio of these two. So this is 1:16. Now coming to question number 8. A hemispherical wall is made of the steel. एक ये hemispherical wall है. So this hemispherical wall is made up of the steel 0.25 centimeter thick. So this is not 0.25 centimeter thick. So this thickness is given to us. So this is as, this thickness is 0.25 centimeter. This thickness is given to us. And the inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. So this radius is given as 5 centimeter. Find out the outer curved surface area of the ball. So inner radius is given to us. Inner radius of the wall, this is equals to 5 centimeter. Thickness is given to us. Thickness is 0.25 centimeters. Now outer radius of wall, this will be equals to 5 plus 0.25. So this will be 5.25 centimeters. So we got the outer radius. Now we can simply find out this outer CSA of wall. So outer CSA of wall will be, this is hemisphere, so this will be 2 pi r square. So this can be written as now. So this is 222 by 7 into r square. We need to find out r square. So this is 5.25 into 5.25. So on simplification, we got this is 173.25 centimeter square. So this is now outer CSA of wall. So we got outer CSA of the wall as 173.25 centimeter square. Now coming to question number 9th. This question is also very important for the exam point of view. So we need to pay attention for this also. Now this is a sphere placed in a cubical box. Suppose this is a sphere placed in this box. So a sphere is placed inside a cubical box. It is touching all its boundaries. So now this is R and this is R. So if we talk about the height, so height will be equals to this R plus this R. So this R plus this R, this will be now 2R, or we can simply mark it here also. This is the height and this is also the height. Now see that a right circular cylinder is just encloses a sphere of radius r. Radius already दिया हुआ है sphere का, this is r, small r. Now we need to find out the surface area of the sphere. So first one, the CSA of sphere, this is the simplest one, 4 pi r square. Now coming to the second part, curved surface area of the cylinder. So CSA of cylinder, this is equals to 2 pi RH. So this is 2 pi r into h. Now height of the cylinder is equal to the r plus r, 2r. So this is now 2r. So we got on simplification, this will be 4 pi r square itself. So this is the same, or we can write it h is equals to, this is equals to 2 times r. Height of the cylinder is. Now we need to find out in third case, find out the ratio obtained in a ratio of areas. So ratio of areas. So ratio of areas of this is sphere to cylinder. So this is equals to, now we can write CSA of sphere S divided by CSA of now cylinder C. I have written CSA for cylinder, this is C. So this is equals to now sphere, this is 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. So this is now 1. So we got CSA of cylinder ratio, CSA of this, CSA of sphere ratio CSA of cylinder. So this is 1 ratio 1. So this is now ratio. With this we have finished our exercise 13.4. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.